I wonder what could be around this corner. That's right, an old freight elevator. Not just any old freight elevator, an Otis microdrive, but it got modernized very slightly by ECA. And check this out, I believe that's, I don't know, but it's very weird that their logo is on the window of all things. But check this out. Watch this. Yep, that's a microdrive. All right. Have to do some funny stuff here to get the door open. All right. Now, this gate does not hold itself open, so I'm gonna get my cab view inside the elevator. I apologize for the poor camera work. I'm trying to operate the doors with only one hand, which on this particular elevator is kind of difficult. All right, now that we got that taken care of, here is the cab. It's a bit of a weird and very basic industrial looking elevator cab, but the fancy cab isn't the main drawing point for this elevator. And that right there's a big panel because that's actually where the counterweight goes back behind. And that's just for safety so people don't hold on to the edge and get their digits chopped off or whatever. But yes, this thing is quite incredible. So off the bat, here's the one roping right there. Someone's coming. Let's start down. Oh, just kidding. I thought that I was worried they may be using the freight elevator, but they walked past it, so we're good. I just don't want to get in the way of the folks who actually need to use the elevator. All right, well, enough oogling at the cab. Let's actually ride it. Oh, quick. Behind the conduit, you can see the old capacity plate, as well as the old lock drop, and I wonder if the little things are on the bottom to reset it. Well, they are, but it hasn't worked in quite a bit, but that right there is the lock drop. Anyway, you'll notice that it has a regular automatic style COP, but if you push the button, it relevels itself right back to the top. Now let's again see that. That's the microdrive system correcting itself. It notices that it's near the floor, but not quite at it, so it relevels itself to get itself even with the floor. That is what is so special about the microdrive, is that it has a separate motor that kicks in to level it off with the floor so that you don't have to. On this particular elevator, they've made it so that you simply have to hold the button of where you're going for the whole time you're going there, and then it'll stop there on its own. And you'll notice that this motor actually has 3 speeds. Its regular operating speed, a slightly faster speed that it kicks into after it starts operating, and then the leveling speed. And as you can see, the leveling speed is very, very slow. So that looks like it is the that's the dock, so that opens up to the outside. And then that right there is the first floor. So let's see here. That's awesome. Anyway, let's start back up towards the 5th floor, or the 6th floor, and you'll notice that it starts in like a medium speed and then it kicks into a slightly higher one. Watch. And there it goes. We'll watch the counterweight go by. Now watch, it's gonna kick into the lower speed, stop for a second, then move at leveling speed. Oh, that was very strange. It stopped and then kicked into the lower speed, but it didn't activate its leveling motor that time. See, this thing kind of does its own thing sometimes, so I don't quite understand it. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't use the leveling motor, and I don't know why. But let's see if we can go down to 5 and then we can see it doing its leveling thing again. I'll just watch the wall so you can see it moving. Higher speed. It's gonna take a lower speed. Now it's leveling. Yeah, that time it went straight from the fast speed to the leveling speed. It didn't even kick into the regular one. See, this thing's strange. Anyway though, we're gonna take it back to 6 and we'll end the video there. Very interesting. All right, now let's deal with this pain in the butt gate setup. I don't believe these doors are original. And here's the latching mechanism for it. It's kind of neat. It's just a circle and then it turns everything counterclockwise and unlocks it. All right, luckily the gate's being nice and staying up for once. Anyway, that'll be it.